Welcome to Best 5 Products. The best two-stage snow blower is probably one of the most powerful and efficient tools you can own for tackling heavy snowfall, designed to break up and clear dense, icy snow with ease, making it ideal for larger driveways and tougher winter conditions where single-stage blowers might struggle to keep up, ensuring you can maintain clear pathways even after the most severe blizzards. Number 5. Snow Joe SJ625E Corded Electric Snow Blower. Tackle mid-sized driveways and walkways with ease. This powerful tool makes quick work of clearing snow, so you can get back to your day faster. Enjoy the convenience of electric power. There's no need for gas or oil, and it requires no tune-ups, making snow removal less of a chore. Its robust motor moves up to 800 pounds of snow per minute. Plus, the adjustable chute directs snow up to 20 feet away, keeping your path clear. The durable steel auger cuts a wide path, 21 inches wide and 12 inches deep. This ensures efficient snow removal in a single pass. Designed with compact wheels, it's easy to move around your property. An attached cord offers flexibility, and it's compatible with extension cords for added reach. Equipped with an LED light, it helps you see clearly. You can clear snow even in low-light conditions, ensuring safety and efficiency. What we like. This model offers robust clearing power for its class. If you have mid-sized driveways and walkways and prefer the reliability of a corded electric snow blower, this is a great choice. It provides ample power without the hassle of gas. What people say. It is a great snow blower, it has a good battery life and it is easy to use. I love this snow blower, it is very powerful and it can clear a lot of snow. This snow blower is a great value for the money, it is very efficient and it is easy to store. Number 4. Ego Power Plus 21 Cordless Steel Auger Snow Blower. Introducing the EGO Power Plus 21-inch Cordless Snow Blower. It combines the power of 2 batteries to tackle heavy snow, throwing it up to 40 feet away. Its high-efficiency brushless motor and steel auger break up heavy snow and ice. This machine is built to handle even the toughest snowplow residue. With the included 7.5 Ah batteries, you can clear up to a 16-car driveway with 8 inches of snow. It's compatible with all EGO 56V ARC lithium batteries. Easily direct where the snow goes with the handle-mounted 180-degree chute control. You can also adjust the snow throwing distance with the variable auger speed. Forget priming and pull cords, start it instantly with the push-button start. When you're done, the handle folds for compact storage. Enjoy the power of gas without the noise, mess, or fumes. This cordless snow blower offers a cleaner, more convenient way to clear your snow. What we like. Experience impressive throwing distance and capacity with this cordless option. If you're looking for a powerful, gas-free solution that can tackle large areas and heavy snow, this is ideal. It offers the convenience of cordless operation with substantial battery life. What people say. It is a powerful machine and it clears snow very well. The battery life is excellent and it lasts for a long time. It is easy to assemble and use. Number 3. EGO Power Plus 21 Cordless Snow Blower SN2112. Introducing the EGO Power Plus 21-inch Snow Blower. It's designed to tackle your toughest snow removal jobs with ease. Featuring peak power technology, it combines the strength of 2 56V ARC lithium batteries for maximum performance. This powerful machine can throw snow up to an impressive 40 feet, clearing your driveway quickly. Its steel auger cuts through ice and snow 50% faster, making your work more efficient. Powered by a high-efficiency brushless motor, it delivers reliable and consistent power. With a 21-inch clearing width and variable speed auger control, you can customize its performance to suit any snow condition. Built with weather-resistant heavy-duty steel and composite construction, it's ready to handle challenging conditions season after season. What we like. This snow blower excels at breaking through tough ice and snow. If you frequently deal with compacted snow or icy conditions and want a tool that cuts through it efficiently, this is the one. Its variable speed auger gives you control over snow throwing distance. What people say. The battery life is impressive, allowing me to clear my entire driveway on a single charge. It handles heavy, wet snow with ease, significantly reducing the time and effort required for snow removal. The adjustable chute direction and height control provide excellent maneuverability and allow me to direct snow exactly where I want it. Number 2. Snow Joe 48V Cordless Snow Blower Kit. Experience the power of a 1200W brushless motor. It effortlessly clears up to 14 tons of snow per charge, making light work of the toughest snowfalls. With an 18-inch clearing width and 10-inch depth, it cuts through deep snow with ease. This allows you to quickly clear your driveway and sidewalks in fewer passes. Enjoy gas-free, cord-free power with rechargeable lithium-ion batteries. This provides maximum mobility and effortless use without any emissions. Precisely direct snow discharge up to 20 feet away. This keeps your surroundings clear and prevents snow buildup in unwanted areas. A bright 2W LED light illuminates your path for safe snow removal. You can keep working even after dark, ensuring your tasks are completed. What we like. This unit provides a great balance of power and maneuverability for its size. If you need a cordless snow blower for driveways and sidewalks that's easy to handle and features a helpful LED light for early morning or late night clearing, this is a solid pick. It's designed for efficient clearing in a compact package. What people say. It has a powerful motor that clears snow quickly and efficiently. The battery life is impressive, allowing me to clear my entire driveway on a single charge. The adjustable chute directs snow exactly where I want it, preventing buildup against the house. Number 1. Ego Power Plus 24 Electric Snow Blower SN2400. Introducing the EGO Power Plus 24-inch electric snow blower. It combines the power of 2 EGO ARC lithium batteries to tackle heavy snow with ease. Experience the power to throw snow up to 50 feet away. Say goodbye to the noise, mess, and fumes of gas-powered alternatives. With a 24-inch clearing width and 20-inch intake height, it handles deep snow effortlessly. The variable speed steel auger and directional chute control ensure snow goes where you want it. Clear an entire 18-car driveway with 8 inches of snow on a single charge. It's compatible with all EGO 56V ARC lithium batteries. Enjoy variable speed self-propel with forward and reverse options. The handle-mounted control dashboard makes operations simple and easy. Start instantly with the push of a button, no priming or pull cords needed. For bright LEDs provide excellent visibility for nighttime snow removal. What we like. This is a serious machine for those who want to minimize physical effort. If you have a very large driveway or struggle with pushing a snow blower, the self-propelled feature is a game-changer. It offers the widest clearing path and longest throwing distance in this lineup. What people say. This snow blower is a beast, it cleared my 4-car driveway in under 10 minutes. The battery life is impressive, I was able to clear my entire property on a single charge. It's surprisingly lightweight and easy to maneuver, even in deep snow. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.